Hello guys, welcome back to XTech. So Vivo X3 finally got this new update, Origin OS. I have been looking forward to this. The old FunTouch OS was a little outdated. So after this Origin OS update, it looks more modern and different from regular home screens. So let's talk about the widgets. They are more interactive and you got these cool animations on most of them, which are more useful and looks great. So here is the music widget, which lets you choose from different music players, and the whole animation is so cool. You will not need a different player from Play Store. There is this camera lens widget, which will directly open the camera. If you don't want to open camera app from the icon, the widget is handy and useful. So you can change any widget size if you don't like larger widgets. So let's talk about customization you can do on your home screen. You can customize any wallpaper by simply using these buttons. You can turn your wallpaper to gray, apply the blur effect, and even add really cool weather effects to your wallpaper. So I find this really useful and it interacts with the weather outside. So I think this is really cool. Apart from this, Origin OS brings you these cool blooming flower wallpapers, which shows different blooming flowers over time, and it's really cool. Even the navigation bars are a lot customizable. I think this feature is really cool and can be handy to use. Anyways, if you want to switch back to the old UI, there is this toggle to switch between the Origin OS and the old look. Honestly, if you ask me, this looks more like iOS than Android, which is good. The iOS is big feature when you're buying a phone these days, and I think Vivo has done well when designing this iOS. It is more clear, simpler, and feels modern. The smooth animations are cool to look at and makes using this more fun. I can surely say I'm not gonna use a third-party launcher anytime soon. Anyways, what do you think about this new look? Tell me in comments down below. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe for more tech related content. So that was pretty much it guys. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.